Used to go out. Oh, I think I know.
You know or you know?
Oh, it's Jordans. I just don't. You caught me off guard. These are some Jordan 11.
Oh, boy.
11?
It says it on the box side.
You want a box of 8, boy.
Let me see. Oh, these are from the Temu.
No, it's not, bro.
Those are basketball sneakers
For
in there,
real.
not from.
Again.
Hey.
Yeah.
You wrapped them again.
No, those are different.
Wrapped them again.
Okay. Okay, JT. Okay, JT money.
Look at you with your pairs of Eddie Manuel's, boy.
Designer,
I'm gonna look
boy.
like a New York youngin.
Youngin', you heard me?
JT don't even got those.
I know it. JT gonna see the J go talking about, boy, you passed me, boy.
Yeah, with the white Air Forces.
With the
and
white
white
forces.
tee.
I'm telling you,
And
boy.
white.
Better.
That ain't it.
Okay, I don't even remember what that is. Let's see.
No way. New Coke slides?
Oh, boy,
Oh, and you know my new size.
damn. Damn, boy.
I'm not no 4 no more.
Nope.
More? Let's go.
Yeah.
What a minute.
PSDs. You got the ethicas.
All these designer underwears, you heard me?
Yeah. And some New York.
That's, I think, Memphis, no?
Oh yeah, it's Memphis.
No, it's New York.
Yeah.
He wanted those for a long time. He kept putting them in his favorite.
Oh, she know mine. It's
And favorite color.
yup.
Rockstar, you heard me?
Stuff.
Yeah.
She run it. She rocks up.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Now,
That's what Papa got.
of your gifts, right? But we really need you to become a good boy because, like we've told you before, you know what you need to do. You just need to do it, okay? And like we've told you before, Mommy and Daddy make a lot of sacrifices to buy you everything.
Yeah, boy. That's yours, my guy. It's for you, baby.
Come on. You like it?
You like it?
Good.
Big boy style, baby.
Now you just gotta make sure that you're worthy of it.
Mm-hmm.
Do I have to set it up?
Enjoy.